we are here to see of flagging the airlifting of relief food to our people who are affected in areas of the Dadacha, Iresaboru, Sericho, and even Gubatu. Here today we are lifting food for households, which is for the Dadacha. We are lifting for 626 households. For Iresaboru, we are lifting for 500 households. That is food. And for Alango, we are lifting 175. Today here, we are not just doing transportation of the food. We also have non-food items, such as blankets, nets, jerry cans, sleeping mats, soaps, and even dignity kits.
Hassan, Chief Officer of Public Health. Nataka kushukuru sana my President, His Excellency, and my Governor, who has really pushed for us all the items. We are trying to fly them. The report that we have non-farms and we have emergency drugs, and we have other items like food, which is going to be dropped today. The situation is very dire in Dawa, the Dadacha. People have really suffered, but today by the evening I think they'll be happy. The drugs, and also we have drugs, we have antibiotics, we have painkillers, we have all items which are needed for emergency. I think going forward we are going to rescue our people today.
Kaunti ya Isiolo, Ruto Kaunti ona tuthie na